Hello everybody, this is Sunny of Sunrise 75 channel, and in this video that we're going to share to you, we're going to share the power of prayer. Sa panahon ngayon, maraming pagkakataon na tayo ay nag-worry, nababahala, nagpapanik dahil marami ang mga nakakatakot na pangyayari. Katulad ng baha, ng lindol, ng sunog at marami pang iba't ibang kalamidad. But at sa sitwasyon na mga ganito, usually tayo ay nababahala at yung iba makikita natin nagpo-post agad sa iba't ibang social media platforms, no? I think in the situations we have at present, we are being reminded by the Lord to pray. Ayan, to pray. Instead of panicking, of worrying, we need to pray. Sabi sa letter of Paul to the Philippians, chapter 4, verses 6 to 7, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." Ayan. So we are being reminded by the Lord that in whatever situations there are, we need to pray. For in Matthew 21:22, it says here, "If you believe, you will receive whatever you ask in prayer." Ayan. We need to pray. We need to calm down ourselves. We need to trust the Lord. For after all, He is the one in control. Katulad ng sabi niya sa Psalm 46:10, sabi niya rito, "Be still and know that I am God." So despite the situations and the different challenges we are facing, there's one thing that we need to do. At hindi natin dapat kakalimutan na sa gitna ng lahat, we need to pray. Because God listens to the prayer of those people who are praying from the heart.